Injection molding machine magnetic template repair. Our customer reported that the equipment would experience a black screen during demagnetization. We dispatched an engineer to the site for inspection. Obvious damage traces were visible on the surface of the magnetic pole. We conducted on-site testing. We took the magnetic template back for repair. We identified the cause of the malfunction as a collision between the magnetic template and the mold, with the impact force damaging the insulation of the internal magnetic pole coil. We needed to replace the magnetic pole and perform cleaning. Repair in progress. We carried out on-site installation and debugging for the customer. We performed rust removal from the magnetic board. We successfully completed customer acceptance.